Welcome to another update by the Force 13's Australia Oceania team. We're currently on the screen. You have the windy one of two models on the wind. We have a low 1009 hectopascals, the 11 south 094 east, expected to be the 13 south 098 east. Southeasterly quarter winds turning clockwise within 120 nautical miles below, wind speeds 15 to 25 knots, increasing 20 to 30 knots within 240 nautical miles of the low in the southwestern semicircle, moderate to rough seas and moderate swells. A look at the upper level divergence for the western region, and it looks very healthy, 20 to 40 knots. She tendency and tropical systems love the area in blue and green. And wind shear where the low pressure system is very healthy. Look at that green and the yellow line. The A50 millibar vorticity, the picture hasn't changed over the last day or two. A little bit of red. The latest western region satellite view, and you can see a bit of convection. The low is supposed to be around the Cocos Keeling Island. The latest from the Bureau of Meteorology's New South Wales office. We have a gale warning currently in place for the Illawarra, Batemans and the Enan coast. Strong wind warning for the Byron, Goths, Macquarie, Hunter and the Sydney coast. And for Saturday, a similar warning, a strong wind warning. For the state of Queensland, we have a strong wind warning for the southeast Gulf of Carpentaria and for Saturday. One for the Townsville and Capricornia coast. Northern Territory, Beagle Bonaparte, Arafura, Gove Peninsula, Roper Group coast. There's also a fire weather warning in place up there in the Northern Territory for the Darwin and Adelaide River fire forecast area. A strong high moving across the Bight will direct fresh and gusty southeasterly winds across the top end today. Winds to begin easing from Saturday as the high moves over the southeast region of Australia, and a severe fire danger for another area. Road weather alert currently in place down in Tasmania for the northwest coast, central north, northeast, western, central plateau, Midlands east coast, upper Durham Valley and the southeast forecast district. Snow covered roads above 500 metres. We have a strong wind warning for the Frederick Henry Bay, Norfolk Bay, Storm Bay, east of the Flinders Island, upper east, lower east, southeast coast. down there in Tasmania, and a small craft alert for the Central Plateau Lakes. State of Victoria, gale warning. East Gippsland coast, strong wind warning for the Central Gippsland coast. And for Saturday, strong wind warning for the East Gippsland coast. Now we have a look at the Bureau of Meteorology's latest rainfall. This is their 12-hourly outlook across the next 4 days. And in the background I have Nathan Foy over there in the United Kingdom, Manchester, who is the Force 13's project owner, and it's good to have Nathan here in the studio. Total forecast of rain, and you can see the areas of interest, state of Tasmania, and look at that green over the Great Australian Bight. It looks like we might see a little bit around Port Gambier, Mount Gambier. Now the latest Papua New Guinea Himawari satellite view. We also have Nelson, who is over there in the New Orleans area over in the United States. The Southwestern Pacific Satellite Himawari loop. And look at that cloud tracking right down to the both islands of New Zealand. The latest precipitation outlook via the GFS on the Tropical Tidbits website. And it looks like the west coast of the South Island could see some nice rain. But when viewing weather models, the information does change. A wider view of the precipitation for the Australia-New Zealand region. And the precipitation outlook for the Indian Ocean region. Now we have another look at the wind feature and paying attention to the Great Australian Bight, the Bass Strait and the Tasman Sea region. This is across the next 4 days. And at this time of year, we see people enjoying the snow, and that's something that Force 13 would like to cover via their Oceania channel. It's just getting our hands on the information or the sources. Now we have a look at the latest instability for the Australian region, going back 24 hours and moving forward over the next 26 hours. perhaps sometime down the track I might be able to do an interview with Nathan and shortly we'll have a look at the tropical cyclone formation probability guide, and there is a little bit of purple in the Indian Ocean region. It could be related to that 1008 hectopascal low. However, outside the southern hemisphere we have a tropical signal up there in the Westpac. Now we have a look at the Fiji's latest service chart, and very, very quiet. A look at some models, the possible low pressure in the Great Australian Bight, tracking over the northeast area of Tasmania. We also recommend viewers to keep an eye on our main channel. The latest infrared NHC enhancement East Australia Himawari view. Water vapour colour background, East Australian Himawari look. Infrared colour background, the same region. And considering the time period in Western Australia, they have a coastal waters gale warning, the Ewan and Albany coast, strong wind warning for the Perth local waters, North Kimberley, West Kimberley, Perth, Bunbury Geograph, Esperance and Ikula coast. That's for today, and a similar one for Saturday.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.